All right, since last we spoke, Instagram has added GIF support in the stories. So it's very simple, just like adding stickers. If you go to add a photo or a video to your story, let's go flip it around this way, and you take a picture of yourself. Then go to the sticker button at the top, and now you'll see a search with a little animated GIF icon going along there. Tap that, and up near the top you can search, or you can just use whatever is trending. So let's add the diamond spinning, of course. Got nice alignment grids. You can spin it around if you want to. Put it into my eye for fun. And maybe feeling a little blah this morning. Throw that down there. And let's search for my favorite band. So, what the heck? Well, let's put that on there, of course. And maybe one more. Since it's snowing outside, let's see what they say for snow. There. Enlarge that, pinch and zoom it out. Oops, and throw it near the top. There we go. Awesome. That's it. And then add it, press the plus to add it to your story. And now you've got anime GIFs. It's GIFs, not GIFs. On your story. Simple as that. One thing that they continue to add and change, so it probably wasn't in the story setup the first time I recorded it, is the face filters. So you kind of noticed that they were there before, but they've added new ones. So now they've got some sort of weird poop emoji based thing that's going on, and voice changer. I don't even know what this sounds like. This is sure to be nightmare fuel for many of you, but this is what it looks and sounds like.
Voice changer, I don't even know what this sounds like. This is sure to be nightmare fuel for many of you. But this is what it looks and sounds like. Voice changer, I don't...
So there's all sorts of... It's just something to keep looking and like it's changing every so often. Awesome. Seems to be these last batch. They don't change as much as I remember Snapchat changing, but there is still new ones every so often worth checking out. And they don't really tell you in the release notes that when they update Instagram that they've added new face filters or anything like that. You just kind of got to go in and check it out every so often. So that's GIFs and also face filters. Have fun.